Okay, sorry about that. Sebenarnya belum habis lagi. Kita ada another final part, which is the pilot study. Okay, pilot study is a simple way of testing whether the articulation of the methods selected for use in the research are adequate to meet the research objective. Okay, consider it as a small-scale preliminary study to rehearse the research plan. The main purpose include as a sampling strategy to exercise or practice the procedure of work, to measure timing, whether your respondents can comfortably answer your questionnaire within an acceptable time range, adequacy of data analysis technique, practice your research skill, meaning when you approach someone at the eateries or someone at the supermarket to give the perception of a newly launched product or satisfaction of a certain eateries, how do you approach them? How do you communicate to your respondents? Okay. What else? And most important of all, to test how feasible is your study. Okay. A pilot study may identify source of potential non-sample errors, affect the interviewer has on question response, identify error that respondent may make due to the questionnaires, errors due to the method of delivery or caused by sequencing, or maybe identify errors that are caused by the interaction of all of these factors. Why we need to do pre-testing? Number one, it reduces survey development time as well as save costs. If you improve the quality of data collected, ideally all survey development programs should incorporate some degree of pre-testing, and pre-testing can minimize non-sampling errors but cannot eliminate all errors in the surveys. Okay, and Pak kata pepatah Inggeris, practice make perfect. Okay, apabila kita do pilot test on a small sample, selain daripada kita membina keyakinan, kita mungkin boleh identify lah adakah items kita clear, adakah items kita cukup, kurang ataupun terlalu banyak, dan adakah responden faham apa yang you tanya dan tahu apa untuk dijawab. Okay. So these are some of the informations that the pilot test can provide. Some among them are the identification of population, the sequencing, interviewer instructions. Yang paling penting ni, respondents reaction to the question. Dia tenang jawab ke ataupun dia duduk garuk, apa ni macam nak jawab, ataupun mengeluh, ada lagi panjangnya. Okay. And based on that reaction, kita boleh identify lah what are the editing procedures that we need to make the question as during the pre-test to, if it's average, maybe bring up to good, or maybe from good, make it better. Okay. All right. These are the general guidelines. First, sama juga dengan actual, at least need permission. Mungkin at this stage you tak perlu dapat kelulusan etika lagi sebab you akan dapat your respondents ni conveniently. Let's say you nak buat pasal research satisfaction of fast food restaurant di McD, di KFC dan sebagainya. You are at early stage. Tapi you tak dapat lagi nak dapat approval letter from the university's ethic committee. So you ada new question S, takkan you nak tunggu dapat kebenaran baru you nak test, nak pergi McD dah ni, nak pergi McD, KFC, Pizza dan sebagainya. So what can you do? Bila you dah develop questionnaire, boleh saja approach kawan-kawan or anyone nearby, katakan student yang tinggal di asrama. Sebab apa? Sebab satu, dia convenient, and kalau you fikir logik, student takkanlah dia tak seminggu sekali makan fast food. So diorang ni serves as an early practice lah before you dapat kelulusan ethics dan juga kebenaran untuk buat research yang sebenar di restoran fast food yang sebenar. Okay, so pilot study ni walaupun dia memang dia agak fleksibel dari segi siapa you nak pilih untuk praktis, untuk tengok sama ada questionnaire yang develop boleh faham dan orang boleh jawab atau tak. Okay, small sample size, usually between at least 10% of your target population. Kalau 100, maybe you boleh pilih 10 orang saja untuk pilot test your questionnaires. Okay, but your pilot subjects should not be included in the main study. Okay, and your pilot data should not be used or included into your main study. Pilot study saja. Kalau 10 orang you guna analysis and you dapat Cronbach alpha tu 7 tu hanya untuk 10 orang tu. You tak boleh masukkan result 7 orang yang you practice tu ke dalam your actual data collection yang mungkin dia 300-400 orang. Yang tu you kena collect lain, ya. Yeah. And most important, acknowledge that you do the pilot test in your final report or your paper write-up. Okay. So the core steps, identify who can participate in this test. Macam saya contoh bagi tadi, since you tak dapat masuk lagi restoran yang pergi kepada customer di fast food restaurant, the easiest way for you to get is duduk dalam universiti, sama ada bagi kat kawan-kawan di asrama, ataupun kalau ada cafeteria, hand out your questionnaire di cafeteria dalam universiti itu itself. Okay, so that you are still within the university confound and are not obliged to be prosecuted by others sebab you buat kerja ilmiah, kerja penelitian you di dalam universiti lain. Okay. But if you somehow wish to do your pilot study in your actual setting, misalnya you berkeras juga nak buat pilot study tu di restoran fast food tu juga, you tetap kena tunggu kelulusan etika dan permission baru you boleh masuk dan buat pilot test tu di dalam restoran fast food tersebut. Okay, but kalau you buat macam tu, makan masa lah. That's why pilot study ni sebelum-belumnya get a sample that is convenient to you. Alright? Lagi dia kata. So tu ialah how, where, how you collect, record the feedback. Sama ada you nak bagi ataupun you nak record the interview, it will be up to you. Right. Macam saya tadi, kawan-kawan staff, maybe you boleh approach staff ke ataupun ataupun pensyarah-pensyarah you ke untuk test out questionnaire you. Ways to conduct, watch how your friends, how your lecturer, how your orang lab ni complete your questionnaire, give people the cover letter and questionnaire, ask them to fill out, and tengok reaksi dia orang macam mana. Adakah dia hesitate, dia gawal-gawala, ataupun dia skipping page, right? Ask a small amount of number to complete questionnaire and seek the interview feedback or join a debrief. Kalau you tak nak tengok seorang satu, maybe dalam 10 orang tu, you 15 minit sudah habis atau pada you, dan in a group just minta feedback diorang. How do you feel? Cukup ke tak? Panjang ke atau tak? Faham atau tak? Soalan yang baru jawab tadi dah. Okay. Have individuals read the question and then parrot back the question using different words. Read the question to your testing participant. See whether they faham atau tak. Okay. Right. Some of the strategies that you may apply is administer this. Once you dah lalui the practice and identify apa kelebihan dan kelemahan dan apa kelemahan yang dah kasih, use the same way or the corrected way when you do the main study nanti. Meaning apabila you approach a guest dekat fast food tu, tengoklah queue dia. Sebenarnya janganlah approach guest masa dia tengah makan, tunggu makan, tengah relax, ambil approach dia. Okay. You ask respondent to critique questions in direction, check thoroughness, accuracy of answers, and check the time adequacy. Ini yang macam apa? Dah tanya tu lah, rasa macam panjang lah, macam banyak saja lah. Tengok jumlah question dalam questionnaire tu, adakah betul 20-100 tu untuk satu construct tu. Okay. For that, you memang kena be clear about your operational definition for a certain construct or dimension. Okay. Some of the points to check: does each question measure what it's supposed to measure? Are the words understandable? Do respondents to the question the same or in different way? Are the response choices appropriate? And do customers respondents correctly follow the instruction given? Adakah betul semua akan tick ataupun akan pangkah? It's important for you to brief them or give them explicit instructions so that they answer. Okay. What question is must answer? State in your instruction, all question must answer. Kalau ada few that you need, just remark there, skip question if irrelevant to you. If there are questions that your respondent can answer more than one, state that. You may choose more than one answer for this specific question. Okay. Macam yang kata tadi, ideally you about 10 exercise you intend to do. Kalau 100 mungkin 10. Kalau 300 you nak collect, mungkin 30. Or you can follow the rule of thumb by Bloomberg ni. Dia kata minimum participant that you can recruit for a particular pilot study should range between 5 to 100 participants. Okay. All right. So that's pilot study that covers this. That covers Sunday's topic. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.